A door jamb needs full replacement when structural damage prevents a secure, square fit and repeated repairs keep failing. Assess the jamb by checking for deep cracks that go through the wood and split toward the frame. These indicate loss of structural integrity and mean the jamb cannot reliably support hinges or latch plates. Look for multiple stress marks or crushed areas around hinge mortises and the strike plate because these show history of movement and suggest the underlying studs or hanging system may have shifted. Inspect hardware. If screws pull out of wood or hinge leaves are bent or loose despite tightening into longer fasteners, the jamb material is compromised and repairing will be temporary. Check for rot by probing with a screwdriver around the bottom and inside edge. Soft, fibrous wood or discoloration that extends beyond a couple of inches signals decay that will spread and invite more failure. Evaluate for warping or twisting by closing the door slowly and watching for consistent gaps top and bottom and along the latch side. Uneven gaps that do not respond to hinge adjustment mean the jamb is out of plane. Measure squareness with a simple straight edge from hinge to strike side and look for gaps greater than 1/8 of an inch at multiple points as a practical threshold for replacement rather than repeated shimming. Common mistakes include assuming all loose hardware means only a hinge needs tightening, which wastes time when the wood is crumbling. Instead, test screw purchase in undamaged wood or trial longer screws into studs before deciding. Another issue is hiding rot with filler or paint, which conceals ongoing decay and leads to faster failure. The remedy is cutting out affected sections and replacing with solid wood or a full jamb if rot passes joint lines. People often try to correct alignment by excessive shimming, which distorts the door reveal and stresses the frame. The better approach is to remove the casing, check the stud framing and replace the jamb so the door can be set true without forcing the frame. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs like jamb replacement and to give contractors a place to find work. On our site, we also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experience, before and after tips, and practical advice.